Hi there! Imagine adding subtitles to your videos in just 10 seconds. CapCut Online makes it possible. Upload any video that contains speaking or a voiceover. Find Caption and let's explore the powerful Auto Captions feature. Tap the Generate button in the Create Captions panel. And just like that, CapCut automatically generates the captions for your video with perfect timing. With AI intelligent recognition, errors are kept at a minimum. But that's not all. CapCut also gives you the freedom to customize those captions to your heart's content. Adjust the text style, choose your favorite fonts, experiment with different formats, and play with a wide array of vibrant colors. Want to take it up a notch? Add captivating text effects and animations to make your captions truly stand out. With CapCut, the possibilities are endless. Empower your videos with professional-grade captions at the click of a button with CapCut Online. Thanks for watching. If you like this series, make sure to subscribe to the CapCut YouTube channel and click to watch more.